Under California's Song-Beverly Consumer Warranty Act, commonly known as the California Lemon Law, your vehicle repair records are powerful evidence. A skilled lemon law attorney can use them to prove your car is a lemon and secure a manufacturer buyback, replacement vehicle, or cash settlement. Key ways repair records strengthen your claim. 1. Trigger the Song-Beverly presumption. Lemon law presumption, first 18 months, 18,000 miles. 2+ repairs for serious safety defects, brakes, stalling. 4+ attempts for the same defect. 30+ total days out of service. 2. Prove reasonable repair attempts, even outside the presumption window. You can still win by showing the manufacturer had enough chances to fix the problem. Courts consider the defect's seriousness and recurrence. Multiple dealer visits, no problem found or could not duplicate entries, and repeated symptoms, even after parts replacement, all count as repair attempts. 3. Demonstrate substantial impairment. Prove the defect substantially affects the vehicle's use, value, or safety. Examples: use, stalling, limp mode, or transmission issues disrupting travel. Value, reduced resale trade-in price due to repair history. Safety, brake failures, airbag errors, or steering problems. 4. Show manufacturer notice and willful violation. Link repair records with technical service bulletins, TSBs, recalls, and dealer communications to prove the manufacturer knew about the defect but failed to fix it. 5. Quantify days out of service and incidental costs. Document every day the vehicle was in the shop, plus rental cars, towing, ride-sharing, and out-of-pocket repair expenses. 6. Defeat manufacturer defenses. Good records help counter claims of misuse, poor maintenance, or modifications. Show the defect existed from early mileage and link symptoms to a common root cause. Organize all repair orders, invoices, no problem found notes, rental towing receipts. A qualified lemon law attorney, example, San Diego South Bay, can turn them into a strong case for buyback, replacement, or settlement. If you have a lemon, please call Julian McMillan at McMillan Law Group at 619-7959430. That's 619-7959430, or email us at julian@McMillanLawGroup.com for your free case evaluation.